Here we are in section R-3 with the solutions to numbers 1 through 11. Number 1, find the prime factorization of 216. So we're going to break down 216. 2 goes into it, we can tell because it's even, and that's 108. 2 goes into that and 54. 2 goes into that and 27. So we'll have to do 27 over here. That breaks down to 3 and 9. That breaks down to 3 and 3. So we have 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2. So we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 when we finally end up down at the primes down at the bottom. All right, good. Next one. Says find the least common multiple of 75 and 90. These are pretty big numbers, so I'm going to use this prime factorization. Looks like 3 times 25. Looks like 5 times 5. And then over here we've got 9 times 10, which is 3 times 3 and 2 times 5. So 75 is 3 times 5 times 5. And 90 is 3 times 3 times 2 times 5. Okay, so to get these both to go in, we need a 3, a 5, and a 5. Okay, so that makes sure that 75 comes in. We need 2 3s, and we only have one of them. So now we've got a second 3 there. We need 1, 2, and we need a 5. We've already got that. So whatever this number is, that's the one that both of them go into. You can see a 3, 5, 5, there's 27, and a 2, 3, 3, 5. That will make sure we have a 90. So this is, let me see, we had 75 right here times 6. So 75 times 6 is what, 450? Let's double check that. 3, 3, 2, 5. So there's 90 times 5. Yep, 450. There we go. Good. Number 3. In a distant solar system, 2 planets are aligned. So we got, let me see, right, so there's the sun right there, and we got one planet there, and we got another planet out there, and they are in perfect alignment right now. One has a 15-year orbit, and the other one has a 54-year orbit. So every 15 years, 15, 30, 45, that'll come around every 54, that will. So we're going to do the least common multiple. 15 is 3 times 5, and 54 is 6 times 9, 2 times 3, 3 times 3. All right, so we got a 3 times 5 and a 2, 3, 3, 3. So to make 54 in there, that's 2, 3, 3, 3. And we already have that 3. So we just need to add the 5 in there. And there we have. So that would be 54 times 5 is 270. 270 years, both of them will come right back to that point. Great. Now, number 4 through number 9, go ahead and use your calculator. If you're having trouble plugging these into your calculator, get with your instructor right away or get with the tutor. These would need common denominators. These you can actually multiply across, and that's fine, and that's great. But this guy right down here, you'll need to just punch this into your calculator, and that'll be fine. Number 10, you'll also use a calculator for, but we're going to do this out here because it does more than just tell you what it is. This is 5 divided by 16, and this is 24 divided by 5. So when you do 5 divided by 16, you get, punching into your calculator, 0.3125. And 24 divided by 5, you get 4.8. So that's converting those to decimals. Excellent.